Live news programs are some of the most carefully orchestrated shows on television. When things don't go according to plan, however, it's up to the following awesome reporters to improvise.
The second explosion goes off, according to the FBI, at the location where he dropped his. Please don't do that. Where he dropped his knapsack. Shepard.
So most metro locations, anywhere between 3 to 6 inches of snow. So pretty good dose of snow in Winter Park. Look at this beautiful shot this afternoon. You can, wow, yeah, y'all, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of cold today. Temps in the 30s. By tonight, we should see some clearing skies. All right, you have a good one.
A few minutes later, the bear was spotted behind this home in Moreland Hills. This recreation identifies how witnesses say the bear escaped into the woods.
How witnesses say the bear escaped into the woods.
Finally, Carlton may not be with us anymore, but his spirit lives on.
And Amber's dancing at my screen. No, bring Amber back. Bring Amber back. Come on, Amber. I'm Chris Garrett on Fox 43.
Thanks for watching, guys. Also, the Amazing Life community is only 2 clips away from finishing another "The Fuck Did I Just Hear" compilation, so if you find a video that would fit, send it in at my website.